Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage, Yate today. Monday is the day we normally go to Yate, but we had a problem on Monday. So today is Wednesday, 13th of April. A few things caught my eye, which I'll show you later. Most of them were things that I actually donated on Monday, but we didn't have time to go around and look at anything else. And it was just interesting to see the sort of prices they put on them. So that'll be at the end of the video. Right, just a random block of Lego pieces, or blocks as they call them here. So whether they're genuine Lego or one of the other ones, don't really mind. I just wanted some pieces for a little project I wanted to do. In fact, I'll just move you over so you can see. I did this one with some Lego blocks, or whatever you want to call them. Oh, that's perfect. Stop running just when I want you to demonstrate. There's just not quite enough sunlight on him to... Are you going to go or not? Oh, there you go. Yeah, it's just not quite enough sunlight at the moment, but there you go. Yeah, he's going. Better in focus though, isn't it? Okay, so that's what I want to do with that stuff, or at least I wanted a stock of it. And because that was just £1, I thought that'd be fine. Put you back in a tripod. Right, sorry about that. So, yeah, just a few good bits in there. There's even a few figures in there. I did spot a wheel in there somewhere. Can't see much use for just one wheel. I think that was all I could see. Yeah, okay, so we've got some Lego, or blocks. Next, tin can edge detector robot. Right, I haven't opened this yet, so I don't know whether it's actually got anything in it. £1.99. Let's have a look. Oh, that's what I like to see. Looks like it's never been used. Brand new in box, unopened. Excellent. So what sort of detector has it actually got? Interesting. I reckon... I don't know. Well, I wonder how it works. I should think when that goes off the edge, that drops down, so that then touches the ground. That's rotating sideways, so it'll turn it away. I reckon that's all it is. Nice and simple. I don't know if you can see what I mean. Normally it'll be on those two wheels and those wheels, but if it goes over an edge, then that wheel touches the top of the table, and because that's going at right angles, it will turn the car out of the way. We'll find out when we put it together. But as I say, that looks brand new, unused, unopened, in the box. £1.99. I think that's probably a reasonable price for what I would want to pay. I expect it was more expensive when it was new, but not, maybe not much more. Okay, and then the final item. This is deja vu. In other words, we've seen one of these before. 2018, I've checked already. I picked up one of these in a charity shop. It actually had 5 of these, what do they call them? Magnex Battle Strikers. They're clearly meant to look like Beyblades. They've got a launcher that spins them up, and then you press a button and it releases them. I've checked inside already, it's only got 2 in there, so this isn't exactly the same set that I donated back to a charity shop a long time ago. So 2018 I bought the set. My grandson's played with it for a while and then lost interest, so I got rid of it, donated it to a charity shop. And then this year they've got into Beyblades again, so I've been keeping my eye out for Beyblades. These are not Beyblades. I wonder if they've got batteries in them. Doesn't sound like it. Okay, we'll put batteries in and see what happens. But basically there's a little motor in there that spins that, and then you press something to release it. Or no, I think you shake it to release it. That technical. They show it bashing it together and it drops out. And then you've got these things that have got magnets in them, and these have got magnets in them, so when these are spinning you can actually adjust their position if your fingers are small enough to go inside by doing that, and that'll actually make them move around. Yeah. As I say, I think they played with them for a while and enjoyed it, but then lost interest, so I got rid of them. And I don't think this is the same set. 3 AA batteries. Okay, I'll see if I've got 3 AA batteries and we'll try them out. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.